be coming to y'all, showing y'all how I go from blonde to burgundy. As you can see right now, I am blonde, but I am tired of it and I want a new look, so I'm about to go burgundy. If you want to see how I do that, just continue watching. First, you'll be needing some gloves, of course. If you got some of those plastic gloves or whatever to cover your hand, because you don't want them to be stained. Then you want to get some Vaseline or some oil of your choice and oil your perimeter of your face and your neck and your ears, so that way the color will not stain your skin. The color I'll be using are the Adore semi-permanent colors, and I'll be using the 68 Crimson, 21 Intense Red, the Burgundy Bliss, 88 Magenta, a drop of Rich Eggplant 186. So these are all the colors that I'll be using today. I usually like to do my rinses on just dry hair. I like to put all of my colors in a applicator bottle because it gives me easy application. And I'm going to pour all of my rinses straight into the applicator bottle. So I poured in all of the crimson. I'm pouring in about a half a bottle or a little over a half of the Intense Red. I do the same. I'm only putting in about a half a bottle of the Burgundy Bliss. I'm going in to probably maybe here. Going in with the magenta. And I'm not gonna fill it all the way up to the top. Do just a few drops of this Rich Eggplant. It's probably a little more than a few drops, but y'all get the ideas. Here's secure, and I'm gonna shake it to mix it. I'm just going to go in with the applicator bottle and just add to my hair. And I'm just going to finger distribute this throughout my entire head.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took an L, should've put it in the all free.
I'm making a huge mess.
Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off.
A huge mess. Never made this much mess coloring my hair before. I don't even know how they got all the way down my shirt. Just clip my towel here so it won't keep falling.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I, my favorite threesome. Yeah. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. No. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. No. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. Yeah. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on B skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like, whoa, bags under my eyes and you know, won't complain, I'm tired, I'm all gone. For that grip, 10 toes to they swole. For that grip, 10 10 toes till they swell. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right. Now I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God.
Now I'm just going through every section, just make sure most of the blonde pieces are covered.
Reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not.
So now I am finished applying the color.
Babe, no, I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you.
Once I sat under the dryer for 30 minutes, I went ahead with my normal wash routine and conditioned my hair and everything, and now I have it in this turban. And this is how my color turned out. I have very red streaks right here, but everywhere is pretty burgundy. That's how the back look. And it looks brighter on camera than what it actually is. Come back on here once my hair is dry so you can see the finished results. Okay, change of plans. Since my hair ended up much redder than I expected and much redder than I wanted it, I did go back and darken it up a bit, and I went in and I added the rest of the half a bottle of Burgundy BLISS that I had, and I added maybe about that much of this rich eggplant. It gave it like a dark burgundy color. I did sit on the dry for another 30 minutes so that it can process. And I chose random sections. I didn't redo my entire head in this burgundy color. These are the sections that I chose. The two front sections, and I have a few in the back. And I just did this to tone the redness down a bit. I did keep a few red streaks in my hair. The parts that you see pinned up, I didn't touch those. The only ones that you see hanging, those are the ones that I actually recolored. And like I said, I did this to tone the color down a bit because it was a little bit too red for me. So now I'm about to rinse this out with just water only, and then I'm gonna condition my hair, and I will be back with the results. I almost forgot to come back and show y'all my final results for my color, but here it is. And as you can see, it's more red right here, and this is like the brightest red, and then I have like more of a purplish red in the back. This is where I had my lightest blonde is, so of course the red showed up pretty well on that piece, and it give it the dimension that I want. And look at this twist out, y'all, it's popping. So I show y'all the side, and then I show y'all the back, and then here's that. And like I said, here's the front. As you can see, the red is much brighter on this side, and I can flip it over and have different looks with these. I will insert clips of pictures so you can see how it looks out in the sunlight. Other than that, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.
Pulling up in your driveway, treat it like it's my drive-thru. Hit me up when you find time, find a way to come find you. Come to find I can't live without you.